Hello, sir. I am your virtual artificial assistant Jarvis. How may I help you?
Play video on YouTube.
Which one?
Free Fire.
Done, sir.
तो वापस से एक बार गाइस सभी लोगों का स्वागत है आज के एक नए वीडियो के अंदर। और आज अपन लोग वापस से एक बार खेलने वाले सोलो वर्सेस स्क्वाड गेम। सोलो वर्सेस स्क्वाड के अंदर वैसे क्या होता है आप लोग जानते ही होंगे, मैं अकेला सामने 4 बंदे और अपन भाई हर बार की तरह सोलो वर्सेस स्क्वाड ही खेलेंगे। और हर बार की तरह अपन लोग जाएंगे पीछे छत वाले घर के पास और देखिए क्या सीन होता है। मैं सोच रहा हूँ इस बार ये वाले घर पे जाते हैं, डबल डोर पे नहीं जाते। डबल डोर क्या वो छोटी छत वाले घर पे जाना, अपन को इधर जाना है। ओके, एक बंदा उतरा है, कोई बात नहीं।
Your command has been successfully completed. Searching Wikipedia. According to Wikipedia, in mathematics and computer science, an algorithm listen is a finite sequence of well-defined, computer-implementable instructions, typically to solve a class of problems or to perform a computation. Algorithms are always unambiguous and are used as specifications for performing calculations, data processing, automated reasoning, and other tasks.
Activate dictionary.
Activated dictionary. Tell me the problem.
Meaning of execute.
The meaning for execute is verb. Killed as a means of socially sanctioned punishment, murder in a planned fashion, put in effect, carry out the legalities of, carry out a process or program, as on a computer or a machine, carry out or perform an action, sign in the presence of witnesses. Exited dictionary.
Open Chrome.
Okay, sir. Command in progress. Your command has been completed, sir.
Close Chrome.
Okay, sir. Command in progress. Your command has been successfully completed.
Open Instagram.
Okay, sir. Command in progress. Your command has been completed, sir.
Close Chrome.
Okay, sir. Command in progress. Your command has been successfully completed.
Okay, Jarvis, you can go.
Okay, sir. Have a good day.